his dumb ass fell off the boat. Yo, I couldn't get it when he fell, but he fucking died. Look, he trying to get his shit right. Oh my God. Hey, boo, come here. He fucking died. He fucking died. Damn, yo. That was, hey, boo. He fucking died. Are they fucking models? Man, I'm gonna do a photo shoot of you. Yo, fuck them. Yo.
What's the man just said to you?
Oh, but that.
What's the man just said?
That's not how fast it go. I couldn't understand. It was like Irish or something. With the rich Irish people. I couldn't understand him and shit. But yo. Damn, shorty. He in the water for real. Fuck throwing a cup of water on him. Fuck throwing a cup of water. They got soaked. He fucking died. Damn. The model's out too. Oh, look, he mad as shit. His boat stuck. This shit jammed all. Like, they just crashing out this bit. Oh, he in the water too. He ugly as shit. You good?